Guys, it's 5 minutes to 4 na guys. So, wala kaming breakfast. Actually may breakfast kami, bread. Pero wala pa kaming lunch. So, galing kami sa wet market guys. Bumili kami ng isda. Pero, ibang klaseng isda to guys. Austrian isda to guys. Kasi frozen lang yung mga nabili ko na like yung matambaka, frozen. Tapos, bangus. So, kaya guys, nagluto ako nitong iskabetse. Iskabetsing pababa. So, ito guys. Actually guys, dalawa ang niluto ko guys. Meron ding paksiw. Kasi dalawa itong isda guys, malaki. Para siyang karpa. What the name of this fish, Mahal? Mahal? What the name of this fish?
Gold brass.
Ha?
Gold brass.
Gold brass. Pero guys, alam niyo yung laman nito guys, ang sarap-sarap ng laman nito guys. Super lambot, basta masarap. So, and of course guys, rice is life. So, kain tayo guys. Bye-bye.